Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you iPhone struck on iPhone unavailable. Lot of iPhone and iPad users has been reporting to iPhone struck on iPhone unavailable screen. Now users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on my iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. In this tutorial, I give you some solutions for iPhone struck on iPhone unavailable on the lock screen. These solutions for the iPhone 6s users as well as iPhone SE first generation users. So guys, now the solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now question is what to do. Now first of all, press and hold both power on off button and also home button at the same times. When the Apple logo is appear on your iPhone screens, then easy to restart your iPhone and iPad. Now these solutions for the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus users. Now first of all, press and hold volume down button and also power on off button at the same times. When Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release the both button and easy to restart your iPhone and iPad. Now I will show you third solutions for the iPhone X users, 11, 12 and 13 series users. Now first of all, press the volume up button and also press and hold the volume down button and also on off button at the same times. When Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release all the buttons in your iPhone and iPad and easy to restart your phones. So guys, this way too you can easily iPhone struck on the iPhone unavailable screens on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems. Thank you so much.